I'm not sure if this is the way to do it, but the way I'm doing it is I'm making little arches, little rainbows. I think that's most mimics what leaves actually do in the wild. This is kind of an impressionistic or expressionistic representation of a tree. I'm not going to draw every single leaf of a tree, especially multiple trees. So, one of the members of my church, uh, and to tell you the truth, I can't remember his name. His wife's name is Amy. Um, so he is a electrician by trade, but not only that, his hobby is calf roping, like rodeo level. Going to the local rodeo. I don't know how often uh, they have rodeos around here. It's not really my scene, but he does what he called team roping. And so I had to look it up because I'm not a rodeo file. and it was very impressive. The first rider rides out. There are two riders on horses, and then they're in between those two riders on horses. They send out a calf. So the two horse riders ride along each side of the calf. The first lasso thrower throws a rope around the rider here. Can you see it? Here we go. These are the horns of the calf, and the rope always goes around the horns. Not around the neck, not around the head, not around, it always latches around the horns accurately. So then the next rider throws his rope, and that rope, first of all, it's the job of the first rider, after he has latched onto the horns, he pulls the animal, pulls the calf in this direction, and by doing that, the second rider can wrap his rope around the legs. And you're wondering to yourself, how does the rope get around the legs if the calf is using those legs for running? I don't know, but it happens every time. It works every time. As if they've practiced this. As if they know what they're doing. I have more questions. After knowing more, I have more questions. Inquiring minds want to know. And I want to know as well. Phew. Alright, here we go. That's the dark part of the tree, the shadows. Let's get the middle. I don't need this layer anymore. Let's get this color. Let's start in the middle of the tree. I always do that. Let's get that color again. And this time we'll choose a brush.